If you're looking for sources for a research paper on a social issue or argumentative topic, the best place to start is Opposing Viewpoints, Gale in Context. You can access this database from the library's homepage in CougarNet by clicking on Databases A to Z. Type Opposing in the search box and click the link. There are multiple ways to search in this database. If you haven't decided on a topic yet, I suggest clicking on the Browse Issues icon, which looks like a little light bulb. Here you will find a list of over 400 topics to choose from. If you see something that grabs your attention, click on the link. I'm going to click on Electric and Hybrid Electric Vehicles and Cars. As you can see, the database provides a thorough overview to help you decide if the issue is of interest to you and would be appropriate given your assignment. If so, scroll down the page to find a variety of scholarly and popular resources on this topic. If you already have a topic selected, you can also search by keyword. I'm going to go ahead and type in surveillance cameras. As you'll notice, as I do so, the system starts to recommend terms. You can select one of these options or continue to enter your own. On the results screen, you will find a breakdown of all the different types of sources available on your topic. The types and number of sources available will vary by subject. I would recommend focusing on the academic journals first. These are credible sources of information that often include original research that has undergone a rigorous vetting process by subject experts. These articles, and any statistics provided, are the types of source material you can use to build and strengthen your paper. If you're getting too many results to process, or you would prefer to look at one specific aspect of your topic, you can narrow the scope of your search by adding additional search terms. To do so, use the operator AND. For example, if I'm interested in exploring the privacy concerns associated with the use of surveillance cameras, I can add the term privacy to my search string. When you find an article that looks useful, click on the title to access the full text. At the top of the page, take note of the toolbar. From the toolbar, you can send a copy of the article to your Google Drive or email account, download a copy to your computer, or print. You can also retrieve citation information you will need for your works cited or references page. Be sure to select the right citation style, and always double-check the content and format of what's provided to make sure you are complying with your instructor's requirements and official style guidelines. This has been a quick overview of searching and opposing viewpoints. If at any point during your search you are prompted to enter a username and password, please use your CougarNet credentials. If you have any questions or run into any issues while researching your topic in this database, please contact the library. You can find our contact information and hours on our homepage.